Hey traders, I hope you all doing well. First of all, I want to thank all of you who send me a coffee through buymeacoffee.com. That shows that you guys are getting value out of my analysis and priority members are getting value out of the group as well. So I want to thank all of you for all your support. And I'm glad that you're getting value out of my analysis and out of my education I'm trying to provide through my YouTube videos. So with that being said, as you can see, this target has been hit after 14 days finally, and that was lots of patience, guys. Finally the reward paid off, and as you can see, the target has been hit with 191 pips take profit. So if you are in the trade, congratulations. I have also sent this trade in my Telegram channel, the free signal I've sent there. So cheers for that. So with that being said, let's start our analysis with natural gas, gold, and crude oil today. So what do we have right here? As per my yesterday's video, I said that market is likely to push down again from 20 EMA. Let me show you what I've said in my yesterday's video so that we can connect it from there. And so at this point, we are in a downtrend. If we have a push up, let's say we have a push up, we have this 20 EMA resistance that will push the market down. Awesome. So market did pushed down out of 20 EMA as expected and still in a downtrend, guys. So the reason I showed the previous video so that you guys learn the entry pattern and so that you guys learn the importance of these EMAs. And as you guys have seen that I only use 2 to 3 EMAs, mostly 50 and 20 EMAs. With the analysis, you learn what to look at when you are trading personally and also the importance of these major zones. I do not want to come here on the YouTube and say buy here or just sell here. I also want you to learn and get some value out of my analysis so that in time you will learn and can able to take your trading decisions independently. Now we still have this major level of support. So again, guys, having these major area of value doesn't mean that the market will reverse. It can reverse from the areas of value, but that totally depends on the market condition, on the EMAs, if the market is above or below EMAs. But the main goal is just to take your profit out of these zones before the market continue back in the trend. As you can see, the market is in a downtrend from quite a while now. We took our take profit here as well. Market pushed down. We had this nice entry reason. Market pushed up, hit our take profit, and then continue its trend. So now the market came down, pull back up, and if you notice here, market made a new low with this wick. It is lower than this low. That is also a signal that the market is likely to push down from here. As you can see, market pushed up and formed this bearish engulfing pattern. And if you are in my priority group, you know how we take pullback trades. We've been taking lots of pullback entries from last week, and you might have noticed this entry pattern here. So looking at that, I'm expecting a market to hit this green zone with this bearish signal. Again, guys, I'm still looking at this level to for the market to hit. Once we are in the level, this zone, let me show you the zone again. So this zone is 4.882 that goes up to 5.249. I'm going to go through capital.com as well in a moment. So this is the zone I'm paying attention to for my counter trades. Once we have a hit of this zone, only then I will buy. If you remember my previous videos, I've said that I won't be entering until we have a complete hit of this zone with a good entry reason. So I want to see a good hit of this zone with a good engulfer or a good double bottom move. Once we have that, I will update you guys as usual. Let's check on currency.com. Okay, similar condition. Market pushed up, came back down, pull back up, formed this bearish engulfing candle. Looking at that, we are still in a bearish pressure, and I will only enter buy trades once we are in this green zone. Let me show you that as well here. This zone is 5.006 that goes up to 5.334 in case you have missed my previous videos. These are the zone I'm paying attention to take my counter trades only once we hit this zone. In between this zone, I want to look for a good reason to enter my long trades as an engulfer or a double bottom move. Let's check gold. Okay, right here, this was a losing trade for me. I've entered this trade right here. It was a $10 move, but the market pushed down from here, hitting my stop loss. I was out of this trade. Of course, guys, not every trade is a winning trade. And even though if you get this type of good reason to enter, the market cannot be 100% accurate and I cannot be 100% accurate. We can see the losses as well. There is losses if you are in the business. If you, let's say, in business there are profits and there are losses as well. There is no business in the world where there are no losses. So trading is also like that. All we need to look for is to maximize our profits than losses by following a good risk management and by having your stop loss there and by respecting your lot size as well. And here is an example. We had this major zone the market hit, and from here I got this nice reason to enter. Market push down straight away, hitting my stop loss, but my account was protected because of this stop loss. That is why I always suggest you guys to have your stop loss there in case you have this big moves in the market that can also blow up your account, or you can end up in big losses. So now let's see the next level of support here at gold. Okay, right here we got a next level of support. Now this level above has become the level of resistance as it has been broken now. Now if the market pushed up from here, then this is the zone you need to take your trend continuation trade. If we have a push up to this zone, which is 1761, from where I will look for my sell trades as an engulfer or as a double top, or if a market hit the zone below, which is that is a big zone, guys. I'll show you that as well. 1702 that goes up to 1726. So now why this zone is a very important zone? Here we can see recently the market pushed up from here dramatically, from here, and this level has acted as a good level of support here, as a resistance here, as a resistance here. So now this is the next major level of support where I'm paying attention to take my counter trades on lower time frame, on 1 hour or 4 hour time frame. Now let's check crude oil. Okay, right here, what do we have? We have an interesting situation here. If you remember my previous video, let me show you what I've said, then we can take it from here. As you can see on 1 hour time frame, we got this reason to enter, and looking at that, I'm expecting a bounce out of crude oil. Of course, not a big bounce because this condition is on 1 hour time frame. Okay, awesome. What do we have now? So I've just said on my natural gas section of this video that what happened is once the market is in a downtrend, it hit the take profit and then continue its trend down. So right here exactly, if you see, we took this entry yesterday on 1 hour time frame, and I've also informed some of my members that we have a good reason to enter here for crude oil. As you can see, the market hit our 180R. It's more than 180R actually. As you can see, it hit our target and then the market continue its trend downwards. So now what to expect from crude oil? As now this level has the previous low has been broken, I will not look for a buy trades. For now, we can still push down to this lower level of this zone, which is 95.63. I still expect market to hit 95.63, from where I will look for a good bullish region to enter if we have one. If we do not have one, and if we broken below this level, then I will use this level as my trend continuation level. So keep an eye here, not buying at this point. It has broken below the previous low and it looks bearish to me at this point. So that's all for now, guys. Any questions, you can always DM me on Instagram or leave a comment in the comment section. And if you are getting value out of my analysis, if you're learning out of my analysis, please do not forget to hit a like button for me. And if you're new to this channel, please hit a subscribe button and join Money Markets family, and let's trade together. I hope you trade green the rest of the week. I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care.